Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new event on the Clubhouse application, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on this calendar icon down below, which is the fourth option. Tap on this button in the upper right corner of the screen. Type in the event name. Then you should add a co-host or guests. You can select the date and the time as well. You can add a description to it. As you can see, you have 200 characters that you can type in. After that, tap on the publish button in the upper right corner of the screen to create your event. So here you can see it. If you would like to, you can share it. If you tap on the share button, you can send it via messages, Instagram, Facebook, and so on. You can tweet it, copy the link, or add to your calendar. If you want to edit it anytime, just tap on the edit button at the top of this section and you will be able to edit any features. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.